So how you begin? Alright, so you come in here. So you go home with
We've done that. And please say a big hello to Chris Kelly in Farnworth with the message, cheer up. It'll soon be Christmas. Well, you're absolutely right. It soon will be Christmas before you know it. Mentioned we have Smooth Christmas, which is currently streaming on Global Player. Yes, it's already there, but you don't have to listen. Right, Richard Marks coming up next.
Yeah, because it has enough on for that. It's in the one as well, yeah, yes, I made that. You don't need to question it.
Listen tonight from 7 on your radio and on Global Player.
Introducing Hive Ecotech.
Is that a new dance music genre?
Not quite. It's home energy technology that's kinder for the planet and your wallet.
Music to my ears, but like what?
Like a home EV charger that charges your car while you sleep. Or even solar panels that turn sunshine into lower bills.
Now there's a bright idea.
Oh, really should have thought of that one. Welcome to Hive, Ecotech for every home.
That feeling when your economy ticket gets bumped to business. That, my friend, is value euphoria. Same can be said when you buy the new Galaxy S24 FE for only £649. Using Galaxy AI features and day-to-night battery life. Plus, claim a free Galaxy Watch FE as well. Buy the new Galaxy S24 FE from Samsung.com by the 31st of October and claim a Galaxy Watch FE within 30 days of purchase. T's and C's apply.
Unlimited free cutting at the metal store.
Unlimited free cutting?
Yeah, any material, length or size, cut completely free. Get more. Visit themetalstore.co.uk.
Wouldn't it be better if your insurance company rewarded you for renewing?